Hey guys, good morning. So yesterday, I was actually thinking that everything was actually going to drop pretty hard. It turns out Ethereum out of nowhere just absolutely demolishes to the upside, and it's officially above trading range. If we manage to close a 1 day candle in the next 12 hours and it breaks trading range and it stays up like this, right? We don't want a wick up here. We actually want a full trading candle up here. If we actually have a full trading candle on the upside, Ethereum is finally going to touch 35.79. I'll tell you guys right now. If we have a full candle close up, to the upside, Ethereum's going to be closing or getting pretty near 35.79. I'm calling I'm calling it right now. I'm going to tell you guys right now. As soon as we close a full candle up here, 35.79. You guys can tell right now, right, on the daily, we're barely crossing over the actual the trading range, right? We have our trading range. We have Ethereum creating a candle over previous relative highs again. 4 hour, same thing. It's not completely over. We didn't create a candle completely over. And then same thing for the 1 hour. Not completely over, but it's getting there, right? So I'm calling it right now. If Ethereum closes a full candle above, I think right now I think that Ethereum is 100% leading the way right now. I'll tell you guys that right now. Ethereum is leading all over again. Bitcoin is no longer leading anymore. Um, but I can see something like this happening, right? I can see us closing like this, possibly going a little bit higher, maybe retesting that trading range, and then going back up, right? So I think we can do one or two things. Either that happens, or we just straight up go past. We straight up don't retest and go to the upside, right? We don't have to retest this because it's not a major resist. It's not major resistance, right? It's just we're just breaking out of a trading range. So we can either keep shooting straight up and wick. We'll probably throw a wick at 35.80 unless we completely surpass it, right? But I think for the most part is we can either actually correct from here and go down, create another candle, retest down here, and then go up, or we basically just shoot up, right? We don't have to retest this because it's a trading range and it's not an actual major resistance. But yeah, I gotta say, Ethereum is leading, and I'm completely surprised. I didn't think that we were actually gonna recover, but it does look like everything is recovering pretty well. Everything had a nice little bounce from the low side. See, look at these three little really nice big candles on ADA. But again, keep an eye on everything, right? Keep an eye on everything. ADA is bouncing ADA is bouncing off support. Bitcoin isn't, right? Bitcoin is trying really hard to break resistance. ADA is bouncing off support. Ethereum broke trading range. Let's look at other bigger cryptos. So XRP, what's XRP doing? Yeah, XRP bouncing off resistance. So I mean, the only real one that's actually having issues right now is oh yeah, and you guys can see that I actually traded this on Forex, broke relative highs, and I actually wrote it to $1.30. But yeah, the only real what is it called? The only real crypto that's having issues right now is Bitcoin. So I mean, if this turns out that see, look, even Doggy is hitting that bullish trigger on the daily. So if you guys want to get it on Doggy, I think Doggy's gonna be running to the upside, and yeah, and it's actually creating Doggy's actually creating divergence right now. I mean, it might drop a little bit more. So no, I don't think so. I actually don't have any support and resistance on Doggy right now. Why don't I have that? Wait, what did I use? Bittrex, there we go. So what was the last time? When was the last time? The last time I looked at this, a Doggy was back in, back in early August. I thought I was gonna hit 37 cents. Nope, it's trading under a range right now. Yeah, so Doggy and Bitcoin are having issues right now. I mean, Doggy can probably, like, if everything else rallies to the upside, Doggy can possibly go hit 29 cents, and if we start getting bearish, we'll drop again, right? But again, Doggy needs to break that 29 cent, 30 cent barrier to actually keep going to the high side. But yeah, I'm calling it right now. I think Ethereum is leading the way again, and I think as soon as there's a candle that's above, that closes above that trading range, see like that, we're already creating a wick, right? But again, we need another in another 7 minutes. This is fully gonna close. So as long as we don't dump all the way back on Ethereum under 33.79, I think we're solid. And I think this weekend coming up, as long as everything stays bullish like this, or random, because we had a random pop, right? As long as everything stays bullish, I think by this weekend, Ethereum can hit 35.79. I'll tell you guys right now. I think I'm calling it. I think as soon as we close that candle on the upside bullish, I think we're gonna hit 35.79 by this weekend. I'll see you guys later. Bye.